Yeah, alright guys, I'm going to show a video here how to use the Nexo booster. I'll also leave a link below to this page that gives a lot more detail. If you've not got a Nexo account yet, it's like crypto banking. It says if you sign up you can get $100 free in Bitcoin when you've topped up $1,000 or more. Nice little bonus there. And they've got a booster on Nexo that's sort of leveraged trading, and it goes up to 3 to 1. It's not obvious how to use it, so here's a video and also a link to more details. If you've not got a Nexo banking account, then please consider using my referral link there. If you deposit $1,000 or more, you'll get a $100 bonus on your account. Anyway, here's the video.
The Nexo leverage feature that allows you to amplify the purchasing power of your current holdings. To access the Nexo booster, go to the exchange section of the Nexo app and select the booster tab. Then begin setting up your booster transaction by tapping Pay With and selecting the currency as well as the amount you wish to put forth for your leverage. Next, drag the leverage bar to the factor to which you wish to boost your existing assets. You can get leverage between 1.25 and 3 times the value of the assets you initially put forth. Once you're done, choose the currency you'd like to receive in your boost. This can be the same asset you're using to fund your leverage, or another asset entirely, with the exception of cash, Nexo tokens, and stablecoins. From here, click Profit Projection. It's a handy tool that lets you calculate your potential earnings by projecting possible price movements of your boosted asset. Just under the Profit Projection tool, you'll also find the After Purchase section. We recommend reviewing it before proceeding, as it displays the outcome of your boost, including your loan-to-value ratio, the total funds you're borrowing in USD, and your available credit before and after the transaction. To complete your booster transaction, just tap Preview Exchange at the bottom of your screen. Check all the information on the next screen one last time and hit Exchange. When the time comes for profit taking, all you have to do is release your newly acquired assets from your credit line wallet to repay your outstanding credit. The process is the same as repaying any Nexo credit line. Head over to your dashboard and tap the Repay button, and you'll be guided through your credit line repayment. And that's it. Congratulations! You've just used the Nexo Booster.